What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Do the badges on your Giugiaro designed car look like this? Well, despite the fact that I don't think this is actually bad looking, it's kind of got this bronze tone. This is not what they are supposed to look like. They're supposed to be a blue with a punched out lettering. And so these are just sun faded over the years. This badge came on a bunch of cars because obviously Italdesign designed a ton of cars. But you can buy these badges. I'm not sure if they're all the same size, but on my Maserati, you can get these actually still from Maserati parts for about 10 bucks. And that's what I did. All right, so the first thing I did was mask off the position of the badge because I want to put it in exactly the same spot again. And I pulled off the badge, and one of the things that happened is the badge actually kind of came away from the adhesive backing quicker than I thought. And so I've got the backing on here, but it's just room temperature. It's a warm day, and I think I can kind of pull this off cleanly from where it was without adding heat. Now, if you have a heat gun or a hair dryer or something like that, I think that's going to help. But look at that. It's just kind of coming off. That is just showing the age of the adhesive. So we'll get that off and then get the new ones applied. So I've got the old ones off, and here are the old ones, and here are the new ones. And obviously, you can see how much sun fading has happened over the years. Now, this blue, it's probably a pretty small thing in my case, but just did want to upgrade it. It does come with the adhesive backing on there already, so you don't have to buy any outside 3M double-sided tape or anything like that. Now, these pieces are, I don't know, they're $8 retail, but by the time I was out of pocket on them, they were like $14 to get them shipped. So I did get a pair of them to do each side, and so let's go ahead and apply it. Now, what's a nice but surprising little detail is they are covered in plastic just to make sure that they do not get scratched, I think, in transit. So peel that off there, and then I can remove my tape here, and boom, just like that. Beautiful new Giugiaro decals on the side. So if you want to take your Maserati or other Ital-designed car and go from this to this, I would highly recommend doing it. It's a really easy do-it-yourself job, and it's probably one of the smallest, cheapest things that you can do. So pretty cool. I will put a link to these in the description if I can find them. Peter Von Panda, out.